something you've ever seen before, and something you see every day in LA. Diverse collection, mirror reflection, crowd connection, redirection of our energy, living up to the name. Never give up in the game. Everything's changed, but remains the same. Share the joy and the pain, blood in my veins. Unconditional love is shown. Messages pass through the microphone to those who know. Keep spreading the word to make the conscious choice. We can't do it alone.
Search the world over, and they were right over my shoulder, calling me to connect the solar lunar activity room to grow. Tune up, then on with the show. Another epical, eclectic, sold out event of the second. Cause in a flash it's gone, and we're back to the studio to write another song. Each page will get us to the next day and age of one love, where whatever comes up we'll trust to fill us to the crown with that sound that the lounge lizards can't resist to bounce to.
Let the games begin.
1, 2, 3. This is warfare. We score fair. Victorious visions.
Wonder under thunder and fog, visions from under the underdog. My fans dress better than me. I'm happy to be a man, and it's better to be the next NWA. My name is Tumex, I'm the man that socked Andrew WK. Crash the party with smarter words, smash like armies of martyrs were. Infinite B-boys will finalize, implement Beatles with vinyl eyes. Lost in the kiss of a Los Angeles wish, washed in the mist of Los Angeles.
California is where we've been, high-cated. I remember when these public schools were gated. Every day is our birthday, no belated. Receive a compliment, don't be jaded. We all speak of the same valley. Blame Cali for a healthy tally of talent received and rally. The world is our town, rock the language barrier. A Long Beach all pro, like Mark Carrier. Lift man, not oppress. A universal issue we must address. It's bigger than a corporate sponsored conference. To be a part of change is better than pocket change. Bless.
Final grind, bring in the kindness, approach and feel every step. New avenues freshly tarred, rooted underdogs, grown man scarred. Forwards move forward, love look back and smiled. Glad y'all thought of us, wait, been a while. Love it when they say I can't, why? Love the way I can, 8055 to the 405, man. Etched in stone, we sketched the profile. Documented facts when the crowds go wild. Criticize the art but don't live the lifestyle. Conversation architect, build on denial.
Let the games begin.
1, 2, 3. This is warfare. We score fair. Victorious vision. Visions.
Once again,
We've been sent to turn off the onslaught. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. Give and accept, we waste not, we want not. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. It's uphill, stay up till the sun pops out the toaster. The body's a holster, the weapons within. Safety is censorship, selectively remembering bit by bit. A strategist had a wish bound to come true. Lives on the one, always up for round 2. Pounds through without bouncers, preservers not founders. Astounded at what's available over these counters. Get the prescription, fit the description. We live life, music is a depiction. I know we're held down by more than gravity. We don't sugarcoat, it leads to body cavities. Those in authority are the minority. Creation of the gun, geared inferiority. So they think we're a weak majority. How rich are they when they treat people poorly?
Still hear sirens, time to strike, focus on the lights. All mics on deck, now filing. Ready rhymes, boots snug on the front line. Every year deeper trenches sacrifice time. A strong force undetected, well respected. Our hearts is where we kept it, unanimous is effective. Vicious beats like legalized dope. Burner never wrote my life, I live to give hope. In the line of fire, what they admire, the drive that keeps us running is the love that never tires. Hate will expire, gates await to enter. Take no prisoners, free up the listeners. Sound massacre when veil the masquerade. Some of them will save face and the rest you can't save. The lighthouse signifies our attack. We the soldiers with a smile and we got it y'all back.
once again,
We've been sent to turn off the onslaught. Let it sit, sit, we strike when the iron's hot. Give and accept, we waste not, we want not. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot.
For the search of the parameter, blue ops cover up for the new cops. Man enough to wield a desert league, but not enough to build a better league. Hand the cuffs over with C was here to bleed. Wanna be a martyr? Go ahead in a direction that's been run to depth in seconds. Coming next is livication, televised meditation on every station and become one with creation. Geppetto, walking terror is harder to shoot when you know it's self on the other end of the barrel. Narrow knowledge, expanding the wisdom with prophecies and roles to play. Make a need for the system. Free will must be connected by vision. Nitroglycerin fused light, no excuse. Right, who's right? Until we all choose life, there's a reason for the bickering.
We've been set to turn off the onslaught. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. Give and accept, we waste not, we want not. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot.
Visionary. Now we back up in the spot, claiming never been gone.
We ain't never left, we just moved in silence and rep to the death.
Break the cycle, this survival of the fittest, wickedest, fighting over the littlest. Materialistic, false bliss, we witness imperialistic crusades, but for whose sake does it benefit? Budget deficit, 75 bill, paid to friends of the president for defense contracts to tax the people and find the so-called axis of evil, while leaving alone issues at home. Our children need food, shelter, and proper healthcare, and a chance for a better education. Not the army as an only choice of occupation. God won't bless this damn nation. It's up to our generation to make the changes. Right the wrong, write the songs, strike strong, pass it along and fight on.
Learn to fight without the bomb. To earn the night, you cannot doubt the dawn. Squeeze the life off the song. Rip the eye from this compact disc and try your best to meditate in contact list. Place a logo on your forehead when you're feeling particularly morbid. Positivity orbits and your passivity orchids. Simplify if it seems forfeit. Of course we've been misled. Impel this quote and free the Palestinians. Inhale the smoke from the chalice of Indians. Seek solace from malicious opinion. Anti-reptilian meridian. Bowling for Columbine. Not always knowing if we're all divine. To fall apart is the design. A graffitied wall, hold the sign. If you see me, then you already know what's the time.
We've been set to turn off the onslaught. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. Give and accept, we waste not, we want not. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. We've been set to turn off the onslaught. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot. Give and accept, we waste not, we want not. Let it sit, we strike when the iron's hot.
Once again,
another beat chunky, short shot. It's like that, y'all. Visionaries.
Radioactive, like downtown science of Mexican descent, surround sound defiance. Looking for love, I found violence and silence, swimming past the drowned lions. In the face of dead kings, I see the true meaninglessness of their things. Like most metals that aren't precious, all of your books and paintings are just sketches.
Wretched is he who doesn't work. Don't trip, lazy fiction face, don't smirk. If I have no enemies, what do I need friends for? Cleanse more, spend your last days wise.
rise for the occasion, sublime or blatant. Behind your back or right up in your face, it's there for the taking. No desperation, no time to waste, opportunity awaits.
Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never fight the bait. Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never fight the bait.
time. We bringing brand new faces, 6 million stories in every races. Clean half dozen who loves dirty tracks, leave your speaker fully buzzing. No, got a back, got a whole sack on CD, didn't see C's. Not once being greedy, gave rhythm what it needs. Soul medicine embedded in the music, just let it in. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Adrenaline.
The 736 man crew, all I ghost in the shell. Bring the fire, be born and transmute. The one who dance through hell with an igloo cooler, the hand flutes a crystal to the thirsty. This child's an earthly band who brand truth. Here to stay since the first speaking of the word. Knew the light would follow suit. 2 books written, now the triple. Combine the ins and outs and everything in the middle.
A riddle, living in the corporate jungle. Too many souls strolling without stumbles. Me feel vibes, better hide what you mumble. Over you, don't underestimate humble.
Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never mind the bait.
I do it for the love and love rockin' beats, but still, I know I gotta make ends meet. Don't want a company to con me. I'd rather live off the land, but I can't eat concrete. Worked in Nike Town, but wasn't down for selling souls. Don't know where this road we chose, but go swimming against the current of the mainstream. A b-boy coy, keep my aims clean.
With no home body, spot V, traveling abroad, connecting hands across the globe where we applaud. We make choices and songs alike. Keep pushing our union, we're bound to strike. I know the blind see the sun shining, then it sets right here when we're done rhyming. We rock as a flock that makes one-time clock, and most envious mock and all the birds I hawk.
And that's my impression of Freddy and Freddy versus Jason. Buy my CD in any store in the West, or come to my show and buy it for $10 less.
It was written before the pen was picked up. Words aren't enough to explain the vision that existed before there were people here to sense it, receive it, experience it, be it now. We know it's needed.
Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never mind the bait. Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never mind the bait. Good things come to those that wait. Keep an open mind, anticipate. Go for what you know, don't hesitate. Swimming up the river, never mind the bait. Good things